channel, Where Are the Wingfields, starring Lugnut, who is in a timeout because he's a very naughty boy sometimes. It'll be okay. We've had an interesting couple of days. We delivered a load into Salt Lake City, and we were scheduled the next day to have 2 loads stacked up for back-to-back pickup and delivery. At the last minute, both of those loads got scratched. That put us sitting in Salt Lake with no load. So yesterday was the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, everybody. I know I'm a day late, but that's kind of a thing. So yesterday we ended up getting a call asking if we would help out running an express load. We had never done that before. In case you don't know, an express load is when you get that, you go and pick up a trailer. You go to a destination approximately halfway between you and another driver. You swap trailers, and then you go back to where you started from. So that's what we did yesterday. And due to nobody's fault, I mean, there was a little confusion going on, maybe some faulty info, and it took a little while, but we finally got it all figured out and got the job done. So we did film yesterday, but we haven't had time to edit yet, so we're not sure if we have enough video to make what we did yesterday an entire video all by itself. We don't want to make the videos too short, so we're going to take a look at it, and if we have enough video, we'll go ahead and put that out. And then if we feel like it's going to be a little short, we're going to combine it with what we're doing today. Today, we've picked up in Salt Lake, and we have a load going to Los Lunas, New Mexico. That's where we wanted to go to begin with. So, when we get to Los Lunas, it's going to be a little different. We're going to be doing something a little different, but we'll explain all of that in the future when we get there and get started. But for right now, it's just a load going to Los Lunas, and we should have that delivered tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and sign off and say see ya, and we'll talk to you in a little bit. We're going to go ahead and start trying to edit some video and see what we've got for you. Bye.